jumped out of my dreams. Pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart. Fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud nine.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday to everybody. The last time we chatted, we were in the car. We got a call from our realtor. That was 2 weeks ago. And guess what? Our house is sold. We close in a couple of weeks on the house. Michelle and I are frantically trying to do everything that we can to get the house packed up and ready for us to hit the road. Michelle hates the way I say road. I don't think it sounds weird. We got a whole bunch of stuff that we're packing up. Right now we are working on the kitchen. I've got most of our theater stuff packed up. She's got all of our dishes packed up. Got a scale here. We're weighing every single box. You can see all of our stuff from the kitchen. Cabinets are bare. This one is not yet though. Still has, this is all going in the camper with us. We've got boxes over here that are ready to go. We have boxes here that are empty. I've got a bunch of stuff here packed up. Some of the boxes are sealed, some aren't. I've been busy taking all the stuff out of these cabinets right here and putting them in boxes. That is all going south with us. The trooper is loaded up with a bunch of stuff. And shortly we're going to be going up to our other trailer with the pickup truck and hopefully some of these boxes, and we are going to be loading that up. I shot a video a couple weeks ago. I have not posted it, and that video was of our new trailer. I think I kind of teased it like back in December that we bought a new trailer. We did buy a new trailer. It is a utility trailer. I will show it to you guys on this video so you can see what it's all about and what we've done with it. It's a nice utility trailer. It's going to be our moving trailer so that we can get all of our stuff south. And I don't think we're going to be keeping it. As a matter of fact, I know we're not going to be keeping it, but it's going to be with us for at least a year probably. Hey, I wanted to show you guys something. Check this out. So this is a gold pan that I had sitting on one of the cabinets in the kitchen, and like up on above it, and it has black sand in it. But check this out. This is from our last trip. I think our last trip down to Virginia, and this is one of our clean outs. And I want to show you guys. Do you see the gold? Do you see the gold? That right there is gold right out of the creek from Central Virginia. And there's some nice pickers in there. Those are all what you call pickers. Look at that. That is a chunky little piece of gold right there. That is awesome. So now I got to clean this up and put it into a sniffer bottle so it makes the trip south without getting lost or spilled or whatever. But yeah, oh man, I miss gold prospecting. That was so much fun. Maybe sometime in the future again. Maybe. The only kind of gold where we're going is on the beaches. On the beaches. Okay, in my typical Mark's Adventure fashion, I forgot to vlog us loading the trailer up. We are up at our storage lot. Back there is our camper. That's going to be home soon. Yep, now let me show you our trailer. So there it is. That is our trailer, and it is full of a lot of boxes, which I will show you guys on the next trip. But this is it. It is a 24-foot Hallmark Heat. Has a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,000 pounds. It is a bumper pull dual axle. I think those are D-rated tires on there, or E-rated, I can't remember. But anyway, yeah, that's it. It's a nice trailer. We are loading it up. Good evening, everyone. After we left the storage lot last night, we went to the movie and saw Uncharted. That was a lot of fun. And we're back in the truck again. Michelle is driving. Say hi. She's got my Hershey Park sweatshirt on.
I think it's fine now.
I haven't worn it yet. Anyway, we're heading back up to the storage lot again. We're going to move the trailer out a little bit more so that we can open up the back door, because the front is starting to get loaded up pretty good. We also have some more stuff in the bed of the truck. So yeah, I promised I'd show you guys what the inside of the trailer looked like, and that's what I will do. And then maybe, just maybe, I will edit this vlog really quick, which is probably going to be a 2-minute vlog, and I will upload it for you guys. Alright, so we just got finished moving the trailer up a little bit so that we can get that back door opened and closed. And we're just in here playing Tetris. And what we've done is bought Home Depot boxes, and medium heavy duty, large heavy duty, large heavy duty, and a medium heavy duty fit perfectly across this trailer. Fit in there nice and snug. So yeah, we actually have been buying a lot of medium boxes, so we got to go out and buy some more of these large boxes. But this is it. This is most of our small stuff that can fit in these boxes. I got the lights hooked up on the trailer. The only way these LED lights work is if it's hooked up to the truck through the 7-pin. But it's nice. You can see a lot. You can, back there, you can see the cabinets, which are, we have a couple things in these cabinets. There's also like a, what would you call that? Countertop shelf, and there's cabinets underneath here, and those are, we didn't put anything in them, I don't think. Yeah. It's waste space, but they occupy the nose of this trailer. So this trailer is 24 feet long, but that actually makes it like 26 with the nose. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna open the back of this up so that we can see how that works out for us. But yeah, this is everything. Oh, the walls in here, I think I said, are vinyl. Ceiling's vinyl. This is plastic. The floors are rubberized with this, I guess, dime-shaped anti-slip, and then it's got the diamond or expanded metal. I guess that's expanded metal. Diamond? I don't know. Anyway, it has an extra large door. I think that's a 4-foot door, and then it's got the stone block out front here. Let's go around. Oh, by the way, also has a trailer hookup, 30 amp. So if you want, at some point you could hook an air conditioner up to this. All right, so here it is with the back opened. Starting to fill it up a little bit. All this stuff is going to get reorganized once we get all our boxes up front. We'll probably have some furniture in here and stuff. Yeah, you can drive your car right up in there. Zip, right up. Good evening, everybody. Well, obviously I didn't get the vlog out the other day. Just ran out of time. But anyway, it is a couple days later, and I wanted to show you guys, Michelle and I have got some more stuff in the truck. So we're heading back up to the trailer. I think this coming week we are going to be heading down south with all of our stuff that we've got in the trailer so far. I think we're gonna have to make 2 trips, but I'll explain that to you guys later. But anyway, when we get up to the trailer, I'll try to shoot some video to show you what we've got going on up there. All right, we're up at the trailer. We've got lots of our stuff out in the trailer now. We're trying to decide how to stack all this stuff. obviously we've just kind of been piling stuff in here to get it up here. But now that we're going to be driving this thing, we want everything to be stacked in here as tight as possible. Like we have up here. These are not going anywhere. Left to right. Of course, front to back, yeah, they can fall. That's why we want to have as many as we can piled in here. But I don't think we have enough stuff with boxes to get this thing all the way to the back of this trailer. I had originally envisioned all of our stuff taking up a lot more in boxes, and it just hasn't. So what we might wind up doing is taking that row there and maybe even that row there and knocking it down and then stacking it this way, perhaps. And then all of this stuff back here in totes and other boxes we can pile up against it. And then we have some furniture that we can stack into here, and maybe it would work. I really wanted to fill this entire thing up so we don't have to make another trip, but I think we're going to have to make another trip. Anyway, so yeah. If I get this video out today or Friday night, Friday morning, if you guys have any comments about how you might do this, let us know. If I don't get it out until next week, then thanks, but we're already on our way heading south. And this is by no means all of our stuff. This is a lot of our stuff from the house. Obviously no furniture. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us and only a couple days to do it. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday afternoon, and Michelle and I are making another trip to our trailer. That's right, more stuff going in there, and we've got most of the stuff out of the house, I would say, except the furniture. And we have to decide if we're taking it all or if the new buyers of our house are going to take some of it. We're not sure yet. They're supposed to get back to us this weekend. So we're waiting for that. And in the meantime, we're just taking the rest of the stuff that we've packed in boxes up to the trailer. And I think at some point, either today or perhaps tomorrow evening, we may take the trailer down to the house and load up small items that are not going to be boxed up. We'll see. Oh, by the way, if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, please be sure to hit the like button and also let other people know about this video. We are going on an incredible adventure, at least for us, over the next 7 to 15 months, maybe 18 months, depending on how things go. But starting in a short while, we're going to be full-time living in our RV, and we're getting ready to prepare for that over the next couple of weeks as well, and just get everything ready for that once we do vacate our house in about a month. All right, we just got home from the storage lot, and we just started doing the furniture here with the moving blankets. We got this at Harbor Freight. It was like $18 for the large size. About half the price of what Home Depot sells it for. So anyway, we're just trying to see what kind of tape would be best. I'm going to put 3 rows of tape, 1, 2, and then 1 at the bottom. But I think I might actually wrap the bottom in plastic because it wasn't quite large enough to protect all of the bookshelf. That bookshelf used to be over there where Michelle was vacuuming. There was quite a bit of dust back there. Anyway, we're gonna do that one. Probably not next. We have something similar like that up in our bedroom. You probably saw it in the video that I shot the other day. So we'll be bringing that downstairs and get that one all squared away with the blankets. And then these are gonna get ready to go into the trailer. Good evening, everyone. It is Sunday evening. We are gonna wrap this vlog up right here, but Michelle and I brought some more stuff up to our trailer here. Just give you a quick shot of the inside, and I think, yeah, this is what we're doing. We're not going to go any higher. We've pretty much run out of stuff for the most part to put in boxes at home. We've been working on the shed all day, and some of the shed stuff is in these boxes, But anyway, we still have a lot of miscellaneous stuff to put in here, don't we? Yes, lots of miscellaneous stuff. So anyway, we're not exactly sure how much more of that we're going to be able to fit in here. Oh yeah, there's cats. There's a bunch of stray cats over there living in the... There's a bunch of them. It's very windy today too. Anyway, gonna wrap this vlog up now. I will try to get it uploaded this evening. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the adventure that we've got coming, because we've got an adventure. Yes, we do.